made it to Canada. So currently it's minus 11 degrees. This is outfit of the day. It's super cold, so basically I will just take out everything I have, warm and thick coat. I have my jeans, I have a blouse, because I really want to go out and grab a coffee. Officially welcome to Montreal. I got this flight on my first roster. It was almost 3 years ago. I don't really remember what I was doing. We also had only 24 hours. But there is a difference between 24 hours after 7 hours flight and after 14 hours flight. There is no way I will be walking around the city as I usually do. I don't really have a plan. I'm going out for coffee. There is a 7 p.m. in Dubai and we have 10 a.m. in Montreal, so Montreal is just waking up. My departure is in the morning, so I prefer to push myself a little bit more, go out, eat something good, sleep for a longer night time. I wake up closer to my wake-up call, if you know what I mean. I'm so excited to go out to see the snow! It took me 2 hours to get ready. Because when you are tired, everything is just slower.
Going down.
Thank you. I don't know how is this possible, but I slept 12 hours. It's currently 4:40 a.m. The breakfast, I will go to Tim Horton. The only thing available at 5 a.m. So let's go there. I'm super hungry. As you can see, the weather is very, very Polish. This is how my country looks most of the year. This was my personal choice. Basically, I never bid for this flight. Till today, the flight was busy, so I didn't even have time to drink water. Everything is cold, even the water is like from the freezer. Currently, it's 3:30 in Dubai, so we have 12:30 here in Warsaw. It's 3 hours difference. During the winter time, it's 3 hours. During the summertime, it's just 2 hours. I'm super excited to go out. Probably he's calling me now because I forgot to call him. Yeah. Still busy. Halo, dzień dobry.
Halo.
Halo. Czy ja dodzwoniłam się do serwisu odbioru swojej dziewczyny?
Tak, do serwisu.
Ja bym potrzebowała żeby chłopak odebrał mnie z hotelu.
Dobrze, już sprawdzam tramwaj.
Basically, I had the whole day. I will do probably not that much as I usually do. There is not much going on. Honestly, it may be a boring day, so sorry about that, but for me it's gonna be a nice memory. I will spend the most of the time with my boyfriend. I will try to just chill and relax on the first page. Maybe I will do some shopping, maybe we'll go out somewhere. He said he'll cook something nice, so I will take you with me and just enjoy this layover, see a little bit of Poland. You guys don't even know how happy I am to be back here, and I just love Warsaw, and it's my favorite city in Poland, basically.
No.
Bo ja butów nie zabrałam i baby skarpetek, zapomniałam ci powiedzieć. Nie musisz się wrócić.
Baby, jedź. Nie, bo jestem w środku Warszawy, już z baby jestem za 7 minut, to już po ciebie pojadę i pojedziemy do domu zmienić buty.
Ale to nie mam żadnych butów, rozumiesz?
Wyjdź w ciapetkach. No to baby trzeba było mówić mi wcześniej, a nie baby teraz.
Ale ja
takie
zapomniałam.
Musisz w końcu ponosić baby jakieś konsekwencje za swoje czyny. Bo ja cię baby nie wywołam.
To za to, że mi groziłeś
Tramwajem, tak?
tramwajem.
To teraz będziesz jechać tym tramwajem, tak?
Ciepła, no? Jutro musimy iść na pierogi rano. Co mówiłeś tam? To są suszone grzyby. Czyli to będzie taka zupka zimowa. Już nie mogę doczekać. A to będzie taka...
Ale tak mi się zagodzi.
Baby, to się nazywa talerz. Bulion, ziemniaki i... No dobra, no.
Dodajesz to.
Jak ci poprawić na pomidorę?
I to z serkiem?